This is the period for cloud where the infrastructure really gets tested, that surge in demand. I expect even more so this season. Are there opportunities for various players to even gain share based on how they perform here?
Well, yeah, I mean, on the cloud side, you have the big three: AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud, and yeah, no, it'll certainly be, the next couple of months will be huge for these platforms. So, we expect good growth for all of them in the fourth quarter. And one thing that I would point out, which we had in our report yesterday, our monthly COVID consumer trackers, e-commerce spend remains elevated. So in October, 35% of respondents suggested that their e-commerce spend was up versus the prior month, and that's been pretty consistent since the pandemic started. And then, as you guys pointed out, with cases surging in the U.S. now, these e-commerce platforms are really well positioned. Kind of going into the peak holiday season, to your point, John, and also with brick and mortar foot traffic still likely being down. So. We expect the e-commerce platforms to drive a lot of volume in the cloud.
Brent, as the old saying goes, Christmas comes but once a year. And so if you're looking to have the PC or the console, you got to sell it during this period. It's not just Microsoft. We've got to think about Sony. We've got to think about your HPs, your Dell, certainly Apple out with new laptops. How crucial is this particular period in this particular year?
I mean, it's huge. You look at the Microsoft Xbox sold out. You look at the demand is off the chart. They aren't going to get demand set. The demand will be there, but the supply won't be there till probably spring or summer in terms of the inventory. So they're idling back expectations in terms of when we can get these devices in our house. Obviously, the power to mobile gaming and in the cloud will continue to help offset some of that. But Microsoft remains in a really good position. Obviously, Azure Cloud will continue to power a lot of the back-end gaming experience, and again, supporting a lot of the e-commerce volume that we're going to see going into to this holiday season.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.